What about the kitty?
I want my other kitty.
Where's your other kitty?
Yeah. It's in the room.
In the bedroom? In your room?
No. Can you get the kitty?
Where is it?
In the room.
What room?
The room.
Which room, honey?
The other room.
What room is that?
Other room.
What else is in the room?
The kitty.
The kitty, and what else?
Basil.
Basil's in the room? What else is in the room?
My papa.
Your pepper is in the room?
No.
Where's your pepper?
In my tray.
In your tray?
Yeah.
Did you have some good pepper for lunch today?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you like green peppers?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you like vegetables?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good.
Carrot is a vegetable.
What's a vegetable?
The carrot.
Carrots are vegetables. What else is a vegetable?
Onion.
What is?
Avocado.
Avocado. What else is a vegetable?
Raisins.
Craisins? Well, close. Craisins are fruit.